Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see what is steganography and how to use steganography with some tool. Steganography is an art of hiding an information or a file within another file. So I can able to hide a text file, in image file or video file or audio file. For that, here we are using a tool Steghide. Here I am having an image of Siberian husky. Let's search for Steghide tool. Here I am having Steghide. Let's install it. Here Steghide is installed. Let's check that. Here these are the help commands. Let's create a new text file. Echo it's a secret. The new file is scc.txt. Cat yes. Let's clear our screen. Here my image is in the desktop, so I need to change my directory. Siberianesky.jpg, and I need to move my secret file. Here I have secret file in my directory. To hide a secret file in the image, you need to type steghide command and embed. Here you are hiding a secret, so you need to use embed and ef flag. Here you need to give the secret file. The secret file is seek.txt and the file in which you are going to hide the secret. For that you need to use cf flag, and my image file is Siberian husky, and that's it. Enter. Here you need to enter a password to make your image password protected from extracting. 12345 and re-enter the password 12345. Let's check the information of the file. Steghide info Siberian husky.jpg. Yes. Enter password. If you enter the correct password, it will show the secret file within the image file. If you enter a wrong password like anything, it says could not extract any data with that passphrase. Now let's extract the secret file. Steghide extract, and the flag is -sf and the file name is Siberian husky. And you need to enter the password 12345. Here I have the secret file already in my directory, so it's asking to overwrite. Yes, I need to overwrite it, and the new secret file is created. Let's check that. It's a secret. And like this, you can also hide a secret file within an audio file and also in a video file. Try it as your own. And if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.